This is the DropTop Max Light. This is how it comes. This is the box. And this is it. Then the first thing you need is the box. This is the box with all the fixings. So you have the plasterboard fixings, brickwork fixings, and all the rest of the pack. We don't ship out instructions because everyone has a mobile phone, and you can go on your mobile phone and see the instructions. They're on our website, and we've also sent them to you on the email that's saying that your DropTop is ready. Or go on the shop page of the DropTop Max Light and go on the instructions section and find it there. Part F, we need part E, and we need part G. So this is the correct side, and this is the incorrect side. So this won't work because these will be in the wrong position at the end. So make sure to put this way. So these facing away, and you want this on this side. You have to go as hard as you can on these. Don't be afraid, they will not snap, but you have to go as hard as you can so that when you put the stickers stay nice and flush. We don't want to see any lip here. Okay, and again, go really, really tight on these. For C and D, these need to be on the opposite sides. So we'll go this way and we'll go this way. Next up, we have part B and then the F, G, E part that we just put together with this. This is the front view, and it doesn't have any big holes on the sides. And this is the back view, and you can tell that it's the back because it has all these big holes that will be against the wall. So when you're looking at your DropTop, so when you're facing your DropTop and behind the screen, you will have this side that doesn't have any holes and not this side that has got the holes. And you want to put this down, and this part will be on the floor, not this way, but this here that protrudes, we want that here. So we will lift all of this and we will start putting screws in. With these screws, what you want to do is you want to start doing them up a little bit just so that they come out from the other side so that you can locate the holes on the opposite part. What we want to see is this one doesn't work, so we want this one. This is the slim monitor mount, and this gives you a lot more space, and it's ideal for some curved monitors. Now, not all curved monitors fit because some of them have got a very deep curvature. The space here doesn't allow it. This would be the choice for a mount if you have a thicker or a curved monitor. The tilt mount, so it's a little bit thicker, but it's thinner than the extendable mount, and this one also tilts up and down a little bit. So when you're using your monitor, you can tilt it downwards or upwards a little bit depending on where you like it positioned. And this one also fits on the middle slot. This is the extendable monitor mount that extends. It rotates 360 degrees, it swivels, it tilts, so this is fully adjustable, and it's very nice because you can just pull the monitor towards you, adjust it and personalize your viewing angle. When you buy a DropTop with a tilt or a slim monitor mount, this slot will come in the center because this fits in the center. But if you decide to go for an extendable monitor mount, this slot will have to be offset somewhere here so that the screen is in the center. So this slot is here when you buy an extendable monitor mount. If you have originally chosen a slim or tilt monitor mount and the slot is in the center, and you then decide that actually you want an extendable monitor mount, this can be done. However, there is an offset between the center of the screen and the center of the slot. So you would have to find the right height and then drill these two holes, and you can use your DropTop with an extendable mount as normal. And this slot won't be a problem because you won't be able to see it, the screen covers it. Because we won't have a lot of space to work behind the monitor, we want to plug the monitor in, put the HDMI or the USB-C cable, run them all in before we go and attach the screen onto the slot. At this stage, you want to remove any stickers that might be on any of these parts, because once the screen goes on, you won't really be able to access this area. If it was an extendable bracket, it wouldn't matter that much because you can extend it and then you can work behind the screen as much as you want. But once this goes on, it will just be affixed. Power cables you would run to the back, and connecting cable to your laptop you would run through here. There is this smart cavity on the back of the DropTop. So as you can see, there is a lot of space so that you can put all of your cables. Something like this wouldn't fit. It would probably be getting in the way, but you are able to fit a lot of cable looms. So anything that you have like that can stay here, can easily stay here, and then your cable can run down through this slot, and you can run multiple cables down. At this stage, we can gauge where roughly we like our screen, whether we want it up a bit, down a bit, where we like it, and then tighten the screws on the back. So I will tighten it somewhere here. Okay, this is the screen all connected, and we're now ready to go ahead and install it on the wall.